Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a delicious chocolate salami, a recipe that is included in my cookbook Green Recipes for All Mediterranean-inspired vegan and vegetarian dishes, which is now available to buy at all Amazon marketplaces. If you want to know more about the book, just follow the links here on this video or across the channel. This no-bake recipe is a very popular cake in Portugal and Italy, and so in my plant-based version of the traditional salami, I'm going to add roasted mixed nuts and almond extract to give this fantastic treat a lovely crunchy texture and rich nutty flavor. To start, we're going to roughly crush the biscuits into a large mixing bowl. You can either use rich tea finger biscuits, regular rich tea biscuits, or Marie biscuits, which are all great choices for making this type of cake. Now, using a mini chopper or food processor, roughly chop the nuts and then add to the biscuit bowl. Next, put the butter and sugar into another large bowl. Using an electric hand mixer, beat together until light and creamy. Add the cocoa powder, almond milk and almond extract. Using the mixer at the lowest speed, mix until combined. Add the biscuit mixture to the chocolate cream and combine everything well with a spatula or a large spoon. For wrapping the cake, we're now going to use cling film. First, wipe the work surface with a damp cloth so the film sticks to it, which makes it easier to roll the salami. Cut 1 or 2 large pieces of cling film and place it horizontally onto the work surface. Dip the chocolate mixture into the center of the cling film and cover with the film. Start by roughly shaping the mixture into a log, and then roll it as if it were a rolling pin. Twist both ends of the cling film and roll it again a few times to end up with a tight wrap. Finally, tie both ends to keep the roll in place. Next, cut a large piece of kitchen foil and wrap the log. This will ensure the salami is well compacted while it chills in the fridge. Store it in the fridge for at least 8 hours or preferably overnight. When ready to serve, cut a large piece of grease-proof paper and place onto the work surface. Remove the foil and cling film from the salami, and place it on the paper. Put some icing sugar on a fine mesh sieve and dust over the salami. Dust more sugar over the cake and rub over its surface. Continue dusting and rubbing more sugar until the salami is well coated with a fine layer of icing sugar. To serve, use a sharp knife to cut the salami into slices. Make sure they're not too thin so it doesn't break. After serving, keep the salami refrigerated and always serve it cold straight from the fridge. And that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching, hope you enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy and tasty vegan and vegetarian recipes.